Okay, when you come in the morning, this bay door is going to be closed. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and we're going to assign you a key code, and basically you're going to put your code in there. It's going to unlock the door, and then we come in, the alarm's going to be on. So what we'll need to do is come over here and then turn off your alarm, and it'll turn the alarm off. And then basically this right here, this is just our office. It's kind of small, but this is the office. It's the door we came in. And then this door will be closed over here. This door will be closed. So you just open this door, then it's going to take you into the warehouse. You see, this is the warehouse. Yeah, pretty much it.